Hello dear students. Today we are going to start the another important topic algae, which is also known as chlorophyta. This video is related to the yesterday's Zoom class, which topic is completed by us. Basically algae are three types: green algae, brown algae and the red algae. Green algae are also known as chlorophyce or chlorophyta. Brown algae are also known as phaeophyce and phaeophyta, and the red algae are also known as rhodophyce and rhodophyta. Examples of the green algae or the chlorophyce are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogala and Cara. Brown algae examples are Laminaria, Sargassum and Fucus. And the rhodophyces, red algae examples are Porphyra, Polysiphonia and Gelidae. These are the basic things with the help of the examples related to the algae. Now we are going to start the basic characteristics of the chlorophyta or green algae. Now question is that rise, what are green algae? Green algae look like green because they have a color pigment which is known as green or chlorophyll, green color pigment. Other types of pigments are also present in it in green algae. Remember, we are going to start the topic green algae, or the brief explanation is also present here. Pigments, first of all, they have got different types of pigments. Chlorophyll A, B, carotenoids and xanthophylls, these are the pigments which are present in green algae. Green algae are also unicellular motile. Motile means they can move from one part to another part. Example, Chlamydomonas. Some unicellular algae are non-motile. They are stationary or stable. Example, Chlorella. They are also filamentous and unbranched. Example, Ulothrix and Spirogyra. And they are also filamentous and branched. Example, Cladophora. Some are also found in colonial form. Example, Volvox. Some look as like umbrella. Example, Acetabularia. Their cell wall is made up of two types of things: inner and outer. Inner cell wall is made up of cellulose and outer cell wall is made up of pactiate. Basically, green algae's reserve food material is starch and second is pyrenoid. What is pyrenoid? Whenever the protein substance is surrounded by the different types of starch molecules, then they convert into the particular or the specific types of substance which is known as pyrenoid. They both are the resource of energy in the case of green algae. Now, all types of green algae, they are flagellated. Some have got two flagella, some have four. They are found in fresh water and they are free living. Some act as like a parasite. Parasite, for example, they found in the tea leaves and the pepper leaf. Some act as like a epizoic. Epizoic means they grow in the other animal's body. For example, Zooxanthellae. Now reproduction. Their reproduction takes place by two types of things: sexual and asexual reproduction. In the case of sexual reproduction have got three types of forms: isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. Isogamous means in this process male and females, they look just like same. And anisogamous, in this stage male and female, they both are different in size. And oogamous, male is only motile, female is stable or stationary. Asexual reproduction takes place by four types of processes, or four types of parts are related to the sexual reproduction. They are known as zoospores, aplanospores, hypnospores and echinospores. Zoospore is a favorable, also first of all found in the favorable condition. Rest of other three are related to the unfavorable conditions. So these are the basic characteristics which are related to the kingdom, plant kingdom part green algae. In next video we will discuss the economic importance of the green algae.